What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Guys, I know we under this little quarantine. I go back to work today. Actually, I'll be at work. So I hope you guys are all staying safe and staying positive. Y'all, together we will get through this, y'all. My anxiety has been at an all-time high, so I know what you guys are going through, but y'all listen. We will get through this. Trust me. Today, I'm very excited because not only is it Wine Wednesday, we got our red wine here, boo. I'm going to take a dance break and a drink break because I know I need it. And I know y'all being inside with them kids who's out of school. Whoo, child, baby. My son is home and I'm ready for him to go back to college because he is eating me out of house and home. So let's take a dance break and a drink break for that. Hey, a dance break and a drink break. All of my people that are off from work right now, I may have gotten laid off. I am so sorry that you're going through this, guys. Just know that TonyaNicole loves you. I know that I can't do nothing physically for you, like, through this video, but I am here for you, and I'm so sorry you guys are going through this. I really am. A while back in my comments, one of my subscribers, Miss Leona, the good nurse, who's always one of my first commenters in every video, told me I was receiving something big. So I wasn't sure what she was talking about. Then my son checked my P.O. box, and y'all, I had this big, humongous package from Lorella, from Leona, the good nurse. Girl, like, this made my day, y'all. It even brought me to tears a little bit. So this is what we're going to be unboxing today from Lorella, this mystery box from my girl, Leona, the good nurse. Thank you so much, doll. I appreciate it. You made me smile. You made my day with this package. I peeked in just a little, but I didn't want to mess things up, so I really don't know what I have, but y'all, I can't wait for you guys to see it. So if you want to see what's inside of my Lorella mystery box that my girl Leona, shout out to you, boo, sent to me, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you ate all your quarantine snacks or nah. So guys, as I said before, welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, and y'all, I'm just gonna let y'all know, under this quarantine, boo, I've been trying to keep up with my weight loss journey, but ooh, the struggle is real. Today, I'm cooking turkey necks with a little asparagus and I don't know, probably some mashed potatoes or something, I don't know, but all of this stress has got me just eating, and then I have to go back to work. As many of you may know, I am a nurse, and ooh, it's a little scary for me, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about going back to work because I had to, I've been on vacation because y'all know I had to cancel my trip to California, but that's soon to be rescheduled. But yes, guys, so I'll be at work, so y'all say a little prayer for me that I don't get sick. Ooh, Lord, I'm so nervous about that, y'all. But anyway, let me begin with this unboxing because I don't want to keep y'all too long. First of all, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys for rocking with your girl early, waking up and watching me and commenting. I really appreciate you guys dearly. So my girl, as I said, Leona, the good nurse, I will put her name down here. She is trying to start up her own lash company too, guys. So when she starts up and I get my hand on some of them lashes, I'm gonna show you guys what she is selling. But she sent over this big, humongous Lorella package for me, and I'm so excited to get into it and see what we got. Now, I did not look through the whole package because I do want it to be a surprise for both of us. So after the video, I'm gonna put the prices to everything that was in the box on the bottom of the screen and do a total towards the end. I did go on Lorella's site, and there's 3 mystery boxes that you can get. The first one is $35, the second one is $60, and the third one is $85. I'm not sure of which one this is, but ooh, it doesn't matter, y'all, because I'm so excited to see. Yes, it is heavy, y'all. It is so packed. It comes like this with the paper and all of the little brown fuzzies inside. Yeah, let's see what we got. Okay, so up first, I am seeing this Lorella makeup sponge here. It's a beauty sponge, and it's in this coral color. The packaging is absolutely divine, guys. Let's take it out and see if it's bouncy. Oh, and it comes with a little brush cleanser soap. Oh, girl, look how I'm dropping stuff. Comes with a little brush cleanser soap, and the sponge feels really, really soft. It has Lorella's name on the front, very soft. Oh, I'm so happy for this. I need something to clean my sponges with. So yes, this is the first product in our mystery box. So up next, I am pulling out these two ultra, oh, well, wait, I'm sorry. One is an ultra gloss and one is an iconic gloss. And this is what the packaging looks like with the plastic on it. We're gonna take it off. So how y'all been? What y'all been doing? I've been talking to some of you guys in my community tabs, just trying to keep you guys' spirits uplifted. Y'all have been keeping my spirit uplifted because I'm telling y'all, anxiety is real, y'all. And I have been having some real serious anxiety about this whole corona crisis. I mean, seriously, y'all. So I feel y'all, trust me. Don't think that I don't, because I do. The iconic gloss at the top here and the ultra gloss here. And the iconic gloss, I don't know the shade. Oh, it's Cocoa. Let's see what that looks like. This is a pretty pink shade here. I did get the Lorella Ultra Gloss. This one right here in Bijou, which I have been loving. So this one is a little pink for me. I would probably give this to my sister and let her play with it, but I do like the color. It's very spring. Oh, happy springtime, guys. It is spring. I forgot about that. And the Ultra Gloss is in the shade Charmed. So I am happy that they're giving us spring color. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, let me sniff it. I don't know. They smell like glue to me. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like this one. Okay, so Charmed is one that I will wear. Gorgeous. And next up, I am seeing this Lorella's, this is the liquid eyeshadow in Evergreen. And y'all know that I just got this in a Bijou as well. Let me find it. This is mine right here. If you did not see my Bijou unboxing, I will link it down below. This is the color Evergreen, and it is a gorgeous green color. Actually, I wore this shade in my FabFitFun starter box unboxing from Monday's video. So go check that out. I was wearing this color here, and we have this. I'm excited for that. This box is packed, y'all. Next up, I am seeing two, what is this? Ooh, liquid lipsticks. Ooh, one in the shade Sweet Pea and one in the shade Royalty. So let's see what they look like. So here's the packaging for those two items right there. Very pretty packaging. The first one I'm gonna open is called Sweet Pea. This is Sweet Pea, guys. This is a gorgeous pink. I love that. And then we have, this one is Royalty. Ooh, look how beautiful that is. Oh, let's swatch this one. Oh, this one smells like bubble gum. That's Royalty right there. Beautiful, beautiful. What is that, like a deep pink color? Beautiful, I love it. And next up, we have this that is bubble wrapped, and it is a highlighter in the shade Ice. That's the packaging, and let's open it up. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited. This was so thoughtful of her to think of me to send me this package. Girl, I really appreciate this. I really do. God, I do. So special. Y'all are so amazing. I swear y'all are. This is what it looks like outside of that package, guys. Ooh, okay. So this is the outside packaging, this nice black. It feels rubbery like. It's in the shade Ice. Oh, geez. Look at that, y'all. Wow, it is really like ice. Let's swatch it. Oh, it feels soft. That's how it looks on my finger. Ooh, look at that, y'all. That would be a beautiful inner corner highlight, or maybe a light highlight on the face, but I do like that color. It is pretty beautiful. Up next, we have this Lurella LED compact mirror, and y'all know how I feel about my other mirror. Where is it? I love this mirror, guys. I love this mirror, so I'm very excited to see what this one looks like. I can probably put this one in my work bag. Oh, it's a baby one like that. Look, guys. Ah! Let's see. Oh, girl, it comes with two mirrors. Oh, look at that, guys. Look how beautiful. I love it. I love it. Hey, boo. This is so cute, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, next up, we have something that's bubble wrapped again, and it is a palette. And this is the Electric City palette. right here. Let's take off the plastic. This is what the outside packaging is looking like. And on the back, they give you all of the colors. Oh, it's beautiful though. No mirror, guys, but look at this palette. Oh, isn't that gorgeous though? That is absolutely divine. These colors are way outside of my comfort zone. However, I'm about to start changing that, y'all. Now, I'm not saying that I'm gonna probably wear all of these colors, but I'm gonna test this out and see. Look at that. That is beautiful, perfect for spring, even summertime. I like this. Okay, this palette is gorgeous. Love it. Oh my God. Okay, y'all. Two more things. Another palette. This is the Stay Neutral palette. Oh my God. Y'all, this is like right up. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Oh my God. Dance break and a drink break. Ooh, look at the packaging, guys. Gorgeous. And this is the back with all of the colors. Oh, let's see if they have a mirror. Oh, no mirror. But wow, these are, look at all of those beautiful neutral colors. Gorgeous. Oh my God, I cannot wait to dip into these. This is TonyaNicole's type of palette. Look at that. Ooh, girl, it's so pretty. Let's swatch some. That's them swatched down at the bottom of my arm, down my wrist a little bit, right there. And last but not least, we have this brush set right here called the Bullet Brush Set. Y'all, look at the case it comes in. Look at this. Look at, oh my God. Let's open it up. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. Oh God. Okay. They come packaged like this. This is a 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 piece brush set. Look at that. Now I did see the price on this. This is, I think, $35 for the set. Oh my God. Oh, they feel so fancy. Oh, let me take them out of the wrappers. Hold on. So this is what they look like outside of the wrapper. And y'all, they feel so freaking, ooh, feel so nice. We have some, let me show y'all the eye brushes. We're gonna do eye brushes first. Oh, well, this is a highlighter. So we have these 4 eye brushes here, blender brushes, a packing brush. It looks like I'll probably use this to go underneath my waterline or just to kind of, you know, pack on the shadows. So these 4, they feel so soft and so nice and so, ooh, luxe. And then we have 5 face brushes. This one being a powdered brush or like a blush brush, contouring brush, powder brush, highlighting brush, and a foundation brush. These are gorgeous, y'all. So soft, so pretty. Oh God, they look like Morphe brushes, don't they? Remind me of a Morphe brush. They are gorgeous. So we have these 9 brushes, including the case. Wow. Okay, my loves, that was my final product in my mystery box. Oh my God, y'all, I am so pleased. We're gonna do a very fast recap and I'm gonna give final thoughts and we're gonna rate it, okay? Let's go. So we received the Stay Neutral palette here, the Electric City palette, this LED mirror that y'all know I love, this highlighter here in the shade Ice, 2 liquid lipsticks, 1 liquid eyeshadow, 2 lip glosses, a sponge, and a 9-piece brush set with a holder. So that's 4, 8, 10, I'm gonna say 11 and counting the holder. Products, 11 products for this mystery box. Holy moly, God. So my final thoughts on this mystery box is, I mean, what can I say other than this is an amazing mystery box. I mean, to get 10 products, I'm not sure which tier it is. I'm not sure of what the price is, guys, but I want to say to get 10 products, and it's products that I could definitely use and love. To get a 9-piece brush set, a sponge, 2 palettes, a mirror, a highlighter, lip gloss. I mean, they just gave you everything in one box, and I totally love it. Leona, thank you so much. I hope I'm saying your name right. I apologize if I'm not, but I appreciate it so much. From one fellow nurse to another, thank you, girl, so much. I greatly appreciate it, guys. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn fire. to 5 be in this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying? Boo, y'all already know what it is. I'm gonna give it a 5. I thought it was a fantastic mystery box. I loved every single piece. This was great. Oh my God, I love it. That's all I have for today, guys. I hope you would consider subscribing if you have not. Also, I will put Lorella's link down below so you guys can look around and see what they have. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I took a poll and you guys said that y'all wanted a purple eye look for this video, and that's what I gave y'all. Don't forget to always stay healthy. Keep your mind clear. It's very important that while we're quarantined, that we keep our mental health strong, guys, because that's one thing that is the fastest to deteriorate is our mental health. So make sure you're keeping your mental health strong. Make sure that you're spreading love and positivity. I know it seems like times are rough now, but there's a brighter light at the end, I promise you guys. So that's all that I have. I love you guys dearly. I will see you all in the comments and on my next video on Friday. Okay, guys, bye-bye, my love bugs.